Today, Gabby came for a touch-up on her brows and left with an underarm wax. I do this to Gabby all the time, but today was something good. Gabby had an extraction, and when you saw me first start the video, that's what I saw. So I'm using the Sexy Smooth Wax here. I just got it. Love it. Okay, the drying time was so fast. She didn't think she had any underarm hair. She's like, no, I don't need to be waxed. But she did. When I made my first strip and pulled, it was like I hit the jackpot. It was so much hair, okay? So then I was getting ready to do my cleanup strip, and let me tell you something. I feel like it was even more hair, okay? I was like, all right, this wax is cool. It's Cherry Desire. It actually smells like cherries. I didn't know that until I applied it to her. She was like, that smells like cherries, okay? So in the second pull, I was like, oh my God, Gabby, you got so much hair that came from that pull. This wax is so cool. So then I started getting into her extraction. Y'all, when I say juicy goodness, okay, that's like an esthetician's dream, that extraction that Gabby had. So look at me, y'all. I'm like, yes, let's get into this. Look at it. And that's not even what was all left. It was still some more up in there. Like, I really got it. I squeezed it. And when I say hit the jackpot, I hit the jackpot. So after all that, applied some oil, and Gabby was